Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, Cricket West Indies has given approval in principle for the Caribbean side's three-test tour of England, which is set to bowl off in July. This following a teleconference meeting held on Thursday. More in this report. Cricket West Indies on Friday sent out a release which said that the approval was only given after the CWI's medical team had detailed discussions with the England and Wales Cricket Board. It added that the CWI also received and reviewed detailed plans for players and staff to be kept in a biosecure environment for the duration of the tour, with all matches being played behind closed doors. Plans are now in place to get permissions from the various governments to facilitate the movement of players and support staff using private charter planes and conducting medical screenings and COVID-19 testing for all members of the touring party. Earlier this week, CWI CEO Johnny Grave, in an interview with noted cricket website ESPN Cricinfo, detailed the special arrangements under which the tour was set to take place. The working plan, according to Grave, involves taking a 25-player squad to the UK, which would comprise the official test squad of 15 players and 10 reserves. All players would be tested for COVID-19 and, subject to a negative result, would then travel to Antigua from where they'd leave to the UK. Grave also said there were plans to have players removed from the squad if they tested positive for COVID-19 while on tour. The proposed dates for the three tests are July 8, 16 and 24 at the Ageas Bowl in Southampton and Emirates Old Trafford in Manchester.